I'm Jason Jones with AGI, and today we're going to be talking about the AGI Grain Vac, and the model is the VRX. One of the great things about the VRX is that it has an actual torsion axle, so when you're pulling it down the highway, it allows for that bounce. It's a lot easier on the frame and the unit itself. One of the features that we've updated with the VAC, we've put in an oil bath bearing versus just the standard bearing cartridge that we've had in the past. It's just going to give prolonged life to the unit and make that last longer. The AGI Grain Vac has the longest hose package within the marketplace, and it's also got one of the most versatile hose packages. As you can see, we've got standard lengths, then we've got our rubber bending hose, we've got a 3-foot and a 5-foot, and then more steel bendable hose. So what that allows you is it gives you a ton of versatility when it comes to getting a longer distance into the bin, or when you're cleaning up, giving you each step of the way to be able to clean the floor, or if you're working in a grain pile. So we do offer 10 more feet standard than any of the other manufacturers in the marketplace. When you talk about the accessories, the attachments that are coming with it, we've got a standard floor sweep that comes as part of your package. We've got an intake hose, and then we've got your vacuum cleaner attachment that all come as standard equipment as part of the VAC. We have all of our flighting is suspended inside of the unload auger. And the nice thing about having suspended flighting is it makes it last longer. It's not wearing the edges by touching the outside of the tube. And we've got an updated drive dog system. This looks very similar to a previous drive dog system we've had. What this updated drive dog system gives you is it gives you better timing, better alignment, and a longer wear with regards to the unload flighting. Thanks for watching today. For more information, contact your local Flaman dealer.